Being a simple game of versus attack. So, anyways, let's watch. It'll be 2 minutes. Let's see, we'll be facing. I don't have really been playing this game much. And the graphics aren't really that good, and game's pretty mid and pay to win. But anyways, let's go. First chance, back to Zaha, back to Haller, go! Go! This is a pro shot, but it didn't work. Try the first again. Another goal. Another goal. Let's go extra chance. Anyways, let's do a second game and end it there. Turn the ball. Anyways, we're on another versus attack game. Let's see how it goes. Let's do this. But without no easy. When the goalkeeper so OP. Anyways, I'll update you after next 2 games and show you how it goes. Anyway guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next.